Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Chatbooks and signing in. Use email or Apple/Google to save time. Next, choose source photos, phone, cloud, or social, and pick an album or date range so the app groups moments correctly. Once done, select book size, cover type, and target page count. This controls layout and price, so make choices that match your vision and budget. Remember to name the project. Clear names make future edits faster and avoid duplicated orders. Now you refine the interior. Use auto layout for speed or switch to manual to control every spread. You can drag images, pinch to zoom, and double tap to crop. This ensures important faces stay visible. After that, add captions and dates for context and rearrange pages if the narrative feels off. Once done, preview the entire book to check flow. Enabling auto-enhance can fix exposure quickly, but you can always revert any change before ordering. Finish by reviewing the cover, spine text, and full preview to confirm sequencing and captions. This step prevents surprises. Then enter shipping and payment, choose shipping speed, apply promo codes, and check the dollar total and taxes before you place the order. If something goes wrong, a missing image or failed upload, re-upload the photo, clear the app cache, and retry. If needed, contact support with your order ID so they can resolve printing or delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.